basically your tier then dictates what type of rate and terms we can offer to you.
Tell us a little bit about on your team or from how you operate. If I come to you with a deal, what's going to determine, what my points are up front? Is it experience? Is it the deal? Is it, would you like to give a little insight of what a lender is thinking, when they're sitting at the table? And considering, obviously, we know that you're obviously Anchor Loans is on our side, but I want to know a little bit more of how you guys operate as a company when it comes to that.
Sure. So the way we think about things is we have 4 different tiers for our clients. A, B, C, D. We call them elite, professional, success, and entry.
Nice.
All right. So the entry level, basically tier D, is someone who's only done a few deals, has a certain amount of credit, has a certain amount of cash. All the way up to the elite level, A, which would mean typically they've done 50 or more deals in their lifetime. They have a certain amount of net worth in cash, a good FICO score, etc. So we have 5 or 6 different parameters that we throw into the mix. Our software lets them know what tier you're in, and basically your tier then dictates what type of rate and terms we can offer to you. And if you got a better deal, if you're in a tier, let's say you're an elite borrower, but happen to be giving us a really good tier, a good deal in that we're not having to leverage all the way up to say 75%, it's a 65% loan to after improved value, or a 55%. Then we give you the best rate we can, right? So our points vary anywhere from 0.5 point and 7.5% interest. This is for a year.
Yep.
Up to like an entry level borrower will be typically somewhere about 2.5 to 3 points to 12% interest. Yep. And in between that, depending upon if you're a B or C borrower. So it's not fixed in the sense that you give me 5 things, I look up on a grid and I match you, and this is your points. There's a little bit of an art to it. Yeah, there's a range, and then and if you've been a previous borrower with us and you've always made your payments on time, that's in your favor.